Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video, Conflict Inspector, I'm going to show you another great plugin available in Eclipse. The Conflict Inspector plugin will tell you which conflict rules were used to make a conflict choice. And you can get this plugin from the plugin store. I'm going to go to Support, Plugins, Plugin Store, and I'm going to select the plugin called Conflict Inspector Command. And I see here that this is going to add a command to the menu, so this is a plugin that I'll need to download, then enable. So I'm going to download this plugin. Next, I'll go to Support, Plugins, Manage Plugins, and I'll choose Enable. I'll press OK, and I'll restart Eclipse. Once Eclipse is restarted, if I go to Support, Plugins, Manage Plugins, and look at Conflict Inspector, I see that it's going to add a command to the Edit menu. And so if I go to Edit Extras, I should see Conflict Inspector. So under Edit, I now have Extras and Conflict Inspector is listed. So if I open up a document where I have some conflicts, I can put my cursor on a conflict, go to Edit, Extras, Conflict Inspector, and it tells me exactly which rules were used to make the choice for the conflict. If I look at that entry in my dictionary, you see that there are only 2 rules to choose from. And so it tells me which rule it was able to select from. Additionally, I can assign this to a keystroke. I can go to Settings, Edit, Keyboard, choose Add, and choose Conflict Inspector from the list. I'm going to assign a keystroke. And now if I put my cursor on a different conflict, I can just hit my keystroke to see which rules were used to make the conflict choice. And you can do this anywhere in your document. And it tells you what the steno is, what the conflict is, what the context is, and it tells you the matching context and additional context that were not used. And again, all of that information matches what you'll find in the dictionary entry itself under the AI data context information. And so that's where all of this is pulling directly from. But in this case, it's telling you which rule it used. And so if you've ever wondered how your conflict decided to make a choice, you can use this new Edit, Extras, Conflict Inspector command to find out. And you can assign it to a keystroke or use it from the toolbar menus, whatever you're comfortable with. Don't forget that Advantage Software offers anytime support. Tech support can be reached with any question, anytime, including weekends and holidays at 772-288-3266. Email support is also available at support@eclipsecat.com. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content in the future. Thank you so much and have a great day.